Hello viewers, welcome to Manoj Vayam Creations. Today I am presenting my view on the book Life's Amazing Secret written by Guru Gopal Das. He is one of the most popular and influencing monk. He studied his electronic engineering from the College of Engineering Pune. In the later stage of his life, he decided to be an monk and went to an ashram in Mumbai where he studied Asian Eastern wisdom and how to apply these values in our practical world. This book contains almost 200 pages, cost about 250 rupees. It is published by Penguin Random House India Private Limited. Everyone tries to find happiness. Some people find the happiness in money. Some want to be happy in their personal life, in a relationship. Some want to be famous. Some by serving to others, they find the happiness. But in many situations, in order to be successful in our work life, we sacrifice or neglect our personal life. Here in this book, author states how and why it is very essential to balance the four wheels of our life, that is personal life, relationship, work life and a social life. This is the first book written by the author, though it is very powerful and easy to understand, and it creates the curiosity among the reader to continue the reading. In the way to ashram, the author and his wealthy friend Harry talks about the problem of life. The author says he is no one's guru. He will only help to look into the situation or the problem accurately and finally to take the decisions. I found it very interesting the way we look into the problem is different from one person to another, isn't it? Finally, it is our life and it is we have to take our own decision. But we should not regret about that decision at later stage of our life. If you ask me why we should read this book, as there are many books available in this market, here this book explains essential value of life through a story. Here, author help us to identify how gratitude, practicing spirituality is essential in our life and how we need to look into the problem. In a relationship, the importance of sensitivity, forgiveness, correcting the mistakes of others are stated. In work life, we need to compete with ourselves. We have to act as a leader. From that, we can achieve our dreams. He says that you need to identify the strength or the fashion you like. Later stage, you can earn the money from what you like. In a social life, how to get the satisfaction by serving others are stated in a very impactful manner. At the end of each chapter, he summarized the value of the lesson we learnt. He has also given us a task to complete which help us to reduce the burden of life which we are carrying throughout our life. This is a must read book. Hope you like the video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.